Let's learn weather vocabulary. Weather can change every day, sometimes even in the same day. Let's see one by one. Summer. Summer. When the sun is shining bright in the sky, we say it's sunny. Spring. Spring. Flowers start to bloom, and trees grow new leaves. Winter. Winter. The weather gets very chilly, and in some places, snow falls. Fall. Fall. Leaves on trees change color to red, orange, and yellow, and they fall to the ground. Rainy. Rainy. When water drops fall from the clouds, it's rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy. When big fluffy clouds cover the sky, it's cloudy. Temperature. Temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold the weather is. Rainbow. Rainbow. After rain, we see a rainbow. It has 7 beautiful colors in the sky. Overcast. Overcast. When the whole sky is full of gray clouds, it's overcast. Drought. Drought. When there's no rain for a long time, it's called a drought. Sunrise. Sunrise. When the sun comes up in the morning, it's called sunrise. Tornado. Tornado. A tornado is a strong spinning wind that looks like a giant cone. Sunset. Sunset. When the sun goes down in the evening, it's called sunset. Cold. Cold. When the temperature is low and the air feels chilly, it's cold. Hot. Hot. When the temperature is very high and the air feels warm, it's hot. Windy. Windy. When air moves fast around us, it's windy. Foggy. Foggy. When you can't see far because of thick mist, it's foggy. Breeze. Breeze. A breeze is a gentle, soft wind. lightning, lightning. During a storm, we see bright lightning in the sky. Blustery, blustery. Blustery means the wind is blowing very strongly and loudly. Thunder, thunder. After lightning, we hear thunder. It sounds like a big drum in the sky. Speaker high volume. Snowy, snowy. When white snowflakes fall from the sky, it's snowy. Downpour, downpour. A downpour is when it rains very, very hard. Tropical, tropical. Tropical means warm and wet weather that stays hot most of the year. Water cycle, water cycle. The water cycle is how water keeps moving around our Earth. Moisture, moisture. Moisture is tiny amounts of water in the air or on things around us. Drizzle, drizzle. A drizzle is light rain, just tiny drops falling softly. Hail, hail. Hail is when small balls of ice fall from the sky instead of rain. Warm, warm. Warm means the weather feels a little hot. Climate, climate. Climate means the usual weather in a place for a long, long time. Ice, ice. When water freezes and becomes hard, it's ice. Storm, storm. A stormy day has strong winds, thunder, and lightning. Muggy, muggy. Muggy means the air feels hot, wet, and sticky. Flood, flood. When it rains too much and water covers the land, it's a flood. Atmosphere, atmosphere. The atmosphere is the big layer of air around our Earth. Forecast, forecast. The weather forecast tells us what the weather will be like tomorrow or next week. Gust, gust. A gust is a sudden, strong burst of wind, whoosh. mist, mist. Mist is when tiny water droplets float in the air. Hurricane, hurricane. A hurricane is a very strong storm with heavy rain and wind. Frost, frost. When it's super cold, white ice crystals form on grass and windows. Monsoon, monsoon. Monsoon is a special rainy season with lots of clouds and heavy rain. Blizzard, blizzard. A blizzard is a very strong snowstorm with heavy snow and powerful winds. Storm surge, storm surge. A storm surge happens when strong winds push seawater onto the land, causing flooding near the coast. Cyclone, cyclone. A cyclone is a large, spinning storm with strong winds and heavy rain. Sleet, sleet. Sleet is when tiny pieces of frozen rain fall from the sky. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.